This is why you need to master urgent quotation requests. Time to speed up your sales game. In today's fast-paced business world, timely quotations can make or break a deal. But balancing speed and accuracy, that's tricky. Here's your quick guide to managing urgent quotation requests efficiently. First, understand the stakes. Delays, they mean lost opportunities and frustrated customers. Then face the challenge internal approvals slowing you down. The solution? Preliminary quotations. These non-binding estimates keep customers informed while you await final approval. Add a disclaimer, this is preliminary, not binding. Communicate clearly in your emails. Remember, binding quotes are legally fixed, non-binding ones are flexible. Best practices, clear processes, transparent communication, tech tools, accuracy, prompt follow-ups, and well-trained teams. Balancing urgent requests with internal approvals keeps your customers happy and your operations smooth.